right, I am doing this in support of what we did last week, just reminding you of how awesome you are and the stuff we've already gone over. So just a reminder, slope is the rate of change, right? So in our word problems, that was how much the river was receding. That was the hourly cost. That was the price per movie. So anything where you have a rate is going to be your slope. And slope is rise over run. It's the change in y compared to the change in x. So the symbol for slope is m. Your y-intercept is your starting point. Your starting point. It is your flat fee. It is your base charge. It's a starting point. So your y-intercept, so all ordered pairs are x, then y. Your x-intercept is when your x is 0 and you have a value for y. And your picture for that is B. And on a graph is when you graph a linear function and it crosses the y-axis. That is your y-intercept. And slope-intercept is a linear function which it forms a line. It forms a line using a rate of change, which we're referring to as slope, and a starting point, which we're referring to as the y-intercept. And the picture for that is y equals mx plus b. Your slope always goes with your x. So easy is hard. You just plug it in. Y equals m is 5x, and 9 is positive, so plus 9. That's it. I always encourage people to pause the tape and then check the answers and how I got the answers. So y equals negative 1x plus 0. Well, 0 stands for nothing, and 1 is assumed. So the same thing. That's right. That's better. That's all that is. Y equals 1/3 x, and that 4 is negative. Or this can be x over 3 minus 4. Those are the exact same equations. Because if you don't see it, that's 1. And you always multiply by the numerator and divide by the denominator. So 1 over 3 is the same as multiplying x by 1 and dividing by 3. Y equals 5/2 of x, and that 3 is negative. Or this is 5x over 2 minus 3. Exact same things. Make sure you have an equal sign. So take your time, look at those, and I'll load another video going over those answers.